Are there snowy streets in your city? It's high time for winter life hacks. Have fun and warm up together with our warm ideas. The window is covered with ice and I can't see through it. And what if my Prince Charming comes and I won't even notice him? I need to defreeze the window right now. Take a spray bottle. Pour in vinegar and water in the ratio of 3:1. Apply the liquid to the window. I may not worry about missing my Prince Charming with this antifreeze mixture. In addition to this, he'll be able to check out my householding skills. There's so much snow outdoors that you would have trouble walking through it. You need to walk directly through snowbanks. I use boot straps so that the snow doesn't get into my boots. Prepare 2 wide rubber bands and 4 suspender clips. Pull the rubber band through the loop of a clip and hot glue it. Fasten it in the same way at the other end. Attach the clips to a pant leg and strap it down to your boots. You can easily conquer the North Pole with these practical boot straps. They would certainly be the envy of polar bears. And snow is no challenge for me anymore. Maybe the snow is not a challenge, but glazed frost definitely is. Use hot glue to make your shoes slip-proof. No, we don't suggest gluing you to the ice. It's way easier. Make patterns with hot glue on the sole of your winter footwear. And don't forget about the heels. It's nice and practical. And the best thing is that your shoes will keep you on your feet. Emergency aids already got your back. First of all, let your friend sit and calm down. But not on cold stairs, but on a special winter mat. Cut off a 12-inch by 14-inch rectangle from a travel roll mat. Measure out the middle of the shorter sides and mark 2 inches beyond the edge on each side. Take a wide rubber band and make cuts according to its width on the marks. Pass the rubber band through the cuts. Put the ends into a plastic clasp. Hot glue one end of the rubber band and leave the other end loose so that you can adjust the length. You can even sit on cold stairs or on snow with this slip-on mat, and you won't feel cold or stiff. And warm your hands with a soft muff. It's exactly what a snowy girl needs. Take a piece of faux fur, fold it in half so that the wrong side is out. Hot glue the outside edge. Turn the fur right side out and attach the sides. Fold the muff in half and hot glue along the edge. Turn it out so that the seam is inside. Attach 2 lobster clasps to chain and fasten the clasps to the muff. I've already forgotten about all of my falls and slides. Because of cold weather, a padlock is totally frozen, and I won't be able to open the gates of my kingdom. But my friend comes to help me. She heats up the key with a lighter. The hot key opens the frozen padlock easily. There are snowbanks outside, and I've got a snood scarf. Fold soft fleece in half so that the wrong side is on top and hot glue it from 2 sides. Turn it right side out and attach the last side. Fold the fleece in half and hot glue again. Turn it out so that the seam is inside. Cut out a cat muzzle and whiskers from black felt. Hot glue to the fleece. I feel like a real Catwoman in this snood, or the Pink Panther, whichever you like better. My friend comes listening to music in her earphones and earmuffs. How does this construction hold up? Easy peasy. These are special earmuffs for earphones. Take a wide headband. Cut out 4 cardboard circles. Take soft fabric, we have velour, and trace the cardboard circle on it. Make 1/2 inch allowance. Cut out 4 identical details. Make a special hole for the earphones on 2 cardboard circles. Hot glue a layer of hollow or polyester fiber filling and cover it with the fabric. Repeat for the rest of the details. Decorate the headband with the fabric. Join 2 circles at the end of the headband. Attach the full circle to the outside and the one with a cutout to the inside. Repeat for the other end. Decorate the junction with a bead string. Put the earphones into your ears and put the warm velour earmuffs on top. A little earbud gets into the hole and you feel warm and comfy in this accessory. Your ears won't freeze listening to your favorite music in these earmuffs.